Hi guys, it's Paula. I hope you are doing well. Today I thought I would quickly film this eye look that I'm wearing right now. It is the one that I've been obsessed with all week long, and it incorporates eyeshadows from 5 different projects in one look. It is a little bit extra. If you are the type of person who leaves 5 minutes for eye makeup, this is not the look for you, because it is a little bit more than a 5-minute look, but it's not too bad, and there's really no skill involved. Obviously, I'm not a makeup artist. This look is not based on skill, but there is a lot of steps in it, so you know, it takes me a couple extra minutes to get my makeup done in the morning. But it's so worth it, and I love how this look incorporates pinks and reds in a way that isn't really loud or like overly bright. Like, you can see them, they're there, but it's not really bad. There is a lot going on today while I am filming this. It's Sunday and everybody is home. In a couple weeks, I'm going to be done with work, and it's going to be a lot easier to film these videos. But bear with me if this video seems a little bit choppy, because there's probably a lot of bits cut out with editing. So, that being said, if you want to see how I used eyeshadows from 5 different projects in one eye look, please keep watching. So all of my makeup is on already except for my eye makeup. I actually was already out and about this morning, and so this was all done like two hours ago or so, maybe 3. But I wanted to show you how I do this look. So I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. eyelid primer. This is in my A to Z project pan. And I haven't taken the stopper out yet, but I am definitely scraping the sides to get as much product out as I can before I do take the stopper out. And I just really enjoy this. It's a good primer for no money. It's free. It's not free. It's really cheap though. As always, I am filming on my cell phone and looking at it to do my makeup, which is not ideal. I also have this magnifying mirror, and I have a mirror in my Pan That palette, so that's how I roll. Next, I'm going to take my What's Up Benefit highlighter. This is in my MVP project pan, and I really just use this as a face highlighter, but while I'm putting this on my face, I always put it under my brows, so I thought I'd show you that today. Just do that. I also take my NYX Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil and, oops, sorry, put that right all over my inner corner to brighten that up, and then I blend it out. Those are all the cream, well, almost all the cream products that I use. So today's Sunday, and this is my day to get everything done for the week. Get myself ready. Clean, organize, rest. My husband took the kids to the park, so that was nice. Today's also Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to you guys if you're mothers. I know this won't be up until probably tomorrow or the day after, but I hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day. I am using my e.l.f. 100 shadow palette, and I'm just going in with this cream colored matte shade from my Fire and Ice project pan, right? Right, Fire and Ice project pan. And I'm gonna put that all over except for on my brow. It's pretty non-existent. I mean, it doesn't leave a whole lot of color payoff, but it's perfect for setting my brows. Not my brows. It's perfect for setting my eyelids. My primer. It's perfect for setting my primer. Okie dokie. So next I'm going to dig into this red matte shadow right there. That is also in my Fire and Ice project pan. I'm just using a very fluffy blending brush. This is a mint brush, number 20. And I'm gonna go right into my crease. See that? It's not, this palette is not crazy pigmented, which kind of comes in handy when you're working with these bright shades, but there's enough there to work with, but it's not like working with a ABH palette or something. So next I'm going to take the bubblegum pink shade that is in my 7 by 711 project, and same brush, I'm just going to put that right above that and towards my brow bone. Next, I am going to grab the e.l.f. Long Lasting Lustrous Eyeshadow in the shade Soiree. It is this gorgeous purpley mauve shade. This is in my hashtag It's Been Emotional project pan. And I just pick a little bit up on my ring finger like that and start patting it all over my eyelid. And I don't know if it's because this is getting old or what. Maybe it's always been this way and I just don't remember, but it's, see that? It's a little flaky. I don't know if it's always been that way or if it's just a sign that it's getting old, but I do get some fallout with it, like the flakes fall, and I have to make sure I blend it out really well. But it looks gorgeous. It lasts all day. Once it's on there, it's on there. It doesn't crease or anything. It's just a little messy. See all that right there when I apply it. So far, all I've put on my eyes is e.l.f. products. I just realized that. Okay, next I'm going to line my upper lash line with this Makeup Forever eyeliner and my waterline with this Marc Jacobs highliner in Blacker. The Makeup Forever just does not do the job in my waterline. So, but it stays really nicely on my upper lash line. So I'm gonna look down as I'm doing this really quick. I actually might even cut this out, I'm not sure. Basically, I'm only lining from the outer corner to about halfway in. Next, I'm going to go into my Pan That palette. There's two shadows from this palette that I use for this look. One is the bronzy shade I use on my lower lash line, and I use this dark brown shadow to kind of smudge out my upper lash line. And I use these two brushes, this flat one for the top lash line, my upper lash line, and this pencil one for my lower lash line. Okay, next I'm gonna take this loose pigment in the shade Quartz from Ulta. This is in my A to Z project pan also. And I just kind of, sometimes I take a little bit from what's in the container and then tap it off in the cap. I'm gonna put it down before I spill. Okay, I'm tapping off the extra, just need a little. And I'm just gonna kind of go over what I put on the outer part, my outer V, and in the crease, just to kind of blend everything out. Okay, almost done. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlighter from some kind of project pan. What project is this in? This is also A to Z. It's the Wet n Wild one that I repressed in here. And I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Okay, the last thing is ColourPop's Koosh, this silvery taupey color that I love. I'm gonna put that kind of on top of my very inner corner on the lid and my actual inner corner. And I just used my pinky for that. I'm gonna paint my nails again tonight, but I took off last week's polish so that you weren't looking at my chipped nails. I just love this shadow. Let's see, did I get everything? I think I just need some mascara and that is it. I will be right back in 1 minute. Okay, so this is the finished look. The mascara is on. This look has been the only look I want to go to this whole week, and I've really been enjoying it. It is a bit extra, I know, but I love that I'm able to incorporate shades like red and pink into this look, and it still looks kind of wearable and, dare I say, natural. I don't know. Natural might not be the right word, but it's very wearable for me, and I really love it, and I'm so happy that I can use so many different items from so many different projects in one look that it's very motivating to keep coming back to this look from day to day. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.